Hello guys, what I want to talk today about is how to never run out of things to say. How to never run out of things to say. And I learned this in, I think, a couple of different seminars on public speaking and kind of self-development. And basically, this kind of thing or thought or kind of technique maybe is used, especially in public speaking, when you're speaking in front of a huge audiences of people. So however the speaker is, sometimes it happens. He runs out of things to say. Maybe he forgets something. He loses that thought that he had in his mind. And how to get back on track, or how not to lose the audience and the rapport with the audience when you interact with the audience, right? So there's a very simple technique that I use sometimes myself when I, let's say, talk to the people that I don't know, and so I don't have that strong relation with them. So sometimes it's like it goes silent, right? So how do you spark a conversation or just keep talking? Keep talking about something. So I use associations. It's like an association method. Let's say you speak in front of the audience and you forget something, you forget that thought. If you don't want to lose the audience, you can just imagine a thing or see something in that room see something in the room and start commenting on it, or maybe just associate. For example, I'm speaking right now with the camera. Where the camera is made, I don't really know. Let's find out. The camera might be made in China. The camera might be made in Taiwan. I don't know where Canon is made. I'm actually making right now a commercial for Canon because I'm mentioning Canon name. This is the way of using the associations method to talk about this. What to talk about what? To talk about this. What is this? This is an English word. What this means, I don't really know. What means I don't really know? If I want to know more, I need to read more, I need to explore more, I need to go on Google and find out what I not know to know more, right? But of course, to know more, you need to know what you want to get to know more, what you want to know, what you want to learn. How do you learn things? So basically, how do you learn things? You find, you have something that you already know, and you have the unknown fact. So learning is about matching the gap between what you don't know, matching the relationship or gap between what you don't know and what you already know, and kind of putting it together, right? This is learning, right? This is learning. That's how we learn. That's how we do everything. But let's get back to the communication, how to never run out of things to say. So I just demonstrated an association method, and I can keep doing this over and over again to talk about a lot of things. Of course, a lot of things might not make sense, but this is how you never run out of things to say. There's a lot of associations that you can create in your mind in the environment, and you can talk about things in the environment, you can talk about people in the environment, comment on their clothes, ask them, or just kind of make a judgment or make a kind of a prediction where they're made, which color it is, or which company it produces, how it was distributed, whatever. It's association method. You associate things. It's also good when you talk to girls, for example, right? Sometimes you run out of things to say when you talk to girls, especially the girls that you don't know, right? So how do you do it? Associations. You can comment on something. You can observe the environment and create associations out of the environment. You can talk about other people passing by you. You can talk about the cars, you can talk about, I don't know, the weather, you can talk about how beautiful she looks today and where did she got that hat, if she's wearing that hat, or where she got those shoes, and those shoes look brown or those shoes look black or whatever. What is it made of, blah blah blah. It's associations. Of course you want to make it playful, because if it's not playful, it's not going to be funny, right? Well, it doesn't have to be funny, right? But it's like, yeah, it's whenever you talk to women, the conversation dies, or the attraction dies whenever your conversation goes flat. That's another different topic. Anyway, so yeah, this is associations method. You associate things to each other and you create stories and boundaries. That's how, for example, public speakers are able somehow to lose the thought, but since they use association method, after let's say maybe a couple of seconds or maybe half a minute, 30 seconds, they're able to get back on track and keep talking about whatever they are talking about. And actually the audience doesn't even notice it because he does it in a playful way. But of course that's a matter of skill. You talk, you practice associations method. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if you like, subscribe, comment, like the video, and yeah, just thanks for watching. Peace.